More than 2 million people have confirmed cases of the novel coronavirus. The U.S. currently has the highest number of cases, with more than 600,000. The death toll soared in New York City on Tuesday after health officials started including people who likely had COVID-19 but died without ever being tested. They counted more than 3,000 deaths they're calling probable. This means that more than 10,000 people have died from the disease in the city.
Today, I can confirm that
The Prime Minister of New Zealand announced that she and other members of government will take a 20% pay cut for the next 6 months. This is to try to lessen the economic impact of the pandemic.
a lot of people are taking a huge hit right now. I do not want the people who feel it to be the people on the front line, our lower middle income earners. It should be about leadership, and that means the people at the top.
Many Indigenous groups in Peru are fighting the virus with what they have. In some cases, they have used banana leaves as makeshift masks, and they put themselves into a self-imposed lockdown. The leaders of the communities worry that people who left the area to find food may have gotten the virus. Denmark reopened schools and daycare centers on Wednesday as a first step in relaxing the lockdown. The Prime Minister said it would let parents work and get the economy going again. But many parents are keeping their kids at home.
I don't think it's right for the kids to not be able to hug all their friends. They have to be separate in small groups. It's not possible for kids not to run around in the playground and if they see a friend. I don't think it's fair to tell them about this infection risk they have, that why they have to wash their hands every hour, why they cannot sit together and eat.
Turkey started releasing tens of thousands of inmates on Wednesday. This is to help ease the problem of overcrowding in jails and to prevent them from getting the virus. The only inmates who stayed in prison are those jailed on terrorism-related charges. Hundreds of migrant workers in India were doing yoga to cope with the ongoing lockdown. They were sheltering in a sports complex after becoming homeless. Many people couldn't get home after train and bus routes were suspended, leaving many people stuck. The workers were also treated to a magic show as a bit of an escape.